starting tonight. I'm a man of my word.
The easiest thing in life is to give up on whatever you're focused on or whatever you're hopeful for. The hardest thing is to continue to keep going.
There's always a chance to come back stronger, better. Use the off season to be honest with yourself on what you need to do to get better. We all go through that journey in your career. Losing sometimes can make you better, so you just don't let it knock your confidence.
I set out a goal 2 years when I came back to bring a championship to this city. I gave everything that I had. I poured my heart, my blood, my sweat, my tears to this game, and against all odds, I don't know why we want to take the hardest road. I don't know why the man above gives me the hardest road, but it's nothing the man above don't put you in situations that you can't handle. And I just kept that same positive attitude, like, instead of saying, why me, they're saying this is what he want me to do.
And when things got hard, you started looking for something to blame. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you wanna be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you.
Uh-oh. Somebody's making a fucking comeback. Somebody is making a fucking comeback, bro. After all the hard times, after all the fucking breakups, after all the times people was bullshitting and getting over you and all that, somebody's making a comeback. After all the times they doubted you, oh, it's not gonna work, you dumb, you tripping. No. Somebody's making a fucking comeback, and this is what I like to fucking see, bro. Show them who the fuck is boss. Just show the results. Show them the results. Come back harder than ever. Make this comeback the best fucking comeback you've ever made. Let's go. Come back and show them who you really are.
Hey, bro, I need you to get back in that mode again. That mode where nothing can take you off your pivot. You just putting in that work every single day. See, that version of you is different. You got to tap back into it. Don't be out here playing with your potential because you one of them ones, bro. You special. And you weren't meant to be a person that could have been the one. You are the one. So I need you to get back moving like it before it's too late.
Get back in that mode. Not next week, not tomorrow, right now. Because at some point, you lost that version of you. The one who was locked in. The one who didn't overthink it. The one who went all in. You got distracted. You got comfortable. Or maybe life just started hitting you a little harder than expected. But that version of you, that locked in version of you, is still in there. And it's waiting for you to get back. So I know life might be a little rough right now. I know it might feel like you're going through hell. But my question to you is this. If you're going through hell, why the fuck would you want to stop there? Top of the morning, ain't no money in the bag, baby. Wake that ass up. Understand this. You've been through the fire. You felt the weight of doubt pressing down on you. Telling you it's too much. Telling you it's too hard. Telling you you should stop and turn back now. But every time you heard that voice, you simply didn't quit. Every time you got knocked down, you stood right back up on your 10. And that's exactly why you're about to get everything that you ever wanted. It's time for you to get back in that mode. Because the difference between where you are right now and where you want to be is in the work that you've been avoiding, the risk that you're scared to take, and the discipline that you keep putting off. You keep saying you want more, but your actions don't match it. So this is the moment where you decide, are you going to keep making excuses, or are you going to get back in that mode?
I realize if I keep going back and going back and going back until the shit just becomes, your mind will say, fuck, okay, we're going to figure it out.
You'll find a way.
Because he is not going to stop.
Listen to me, this comeback has to be personal. This comeback has to mean everything to you. Your circle has to get smaller. Your focus has to be pinpoint, with a mind prepared for battle and a heart prepared for war. Because this comeback is not about getting to a place where you've already been. This comeback is about going to a place that you've never been before. This comeback is about seeing things that you have never seen before. This comeback is about attaining things that you've never attained before. This comeback is about proving yourself right about everything that you've ever said about yourself, about everything that you've ever envisioned about your life, about everything that you've ever felt about your life. This comeback is about getting the job done once and for all. So no, you cannot take your foot off the gas. No, there cannot be any more excuses. No, there cannot be a single day where you choose to doubt yourself, because you have to work so hard every single day where it makes literally no sense to believe that you are not somebody that can win in this life.
Get back to fucking work. It's time to get back to work. Stop hearing yourself talk. Get off the podcast. Don't be on social media too much. Cut out all the fucking noise. Get back to the fucking mental lab. There's no dopamine. There's no dopamine in there at 300 pounds. You got nothing. Your hormones are shot. You have to envision something that is more powerful than you. Something has to get you out of bed, and you have to create it. It has to be false, because you're not it. Make up your own mission statement. What do you want to be in life? And once you do that, now you can work with somebody to get better. You can work with yourself to get better. But until you know what you want to stand for, you will always just be sitting down. You'll never stand for anything. This has to be in you. Something in you has to wake up. And usually the only person that can wake it up is you.
This is the comeback. Maybe you're in a rut, maybe you've just experienced failure, or maybe you're just lost. But this is the part in your story where the momentum shifts. This is where you find the drive that you've been looking for. It is now.
Hey, bro, I need you to get back in that mode again. That mode where nothing can take you off your pivot. You just putting in that work every single day. See, that version of you is different. You gotta tap back into it. Don't be out here playing with your potential, because you one of them ones, bro. You special.
The vision that you have for your future, everything you so desire, is begging you to pick yourself up and begin your journey. Because the window is closing. And if you pass this one up, you very well may solidify your eternal existence within the dreadful cycle of stagnation.
Go back again. Go back again. Go back again. I got it. I don't quit. You know, I may not make it the first time, but I'll come back.
Oh, I lost all my money. Get more money. But you don't understand. I lost my girl. Get another girl. Who cares? As long as you're alive, you can lose everything and get it all back. That's called having an abundance mindset.
Hey, comeback time. It's time to bounce back. It's time to turn this shit around. It's time to build something. It's time to start winning. It's time to show the world what you're made of, damn it. It's time to show yourself what you're made of. So show yourself, show the world, bring it out, and start building something, because it's time for a comeback.
Good days, bad days, keep going.
You have to suffer. You have to make that a tattoo on your fucking brain, so when that hard time comes again, you don't forget it.
Let me be very clear. I'll never give up. Never.